What it be? All right, inequalities, homework 1, intro to inequalities. All right, directions say to substitute each variable to determine whether the inequality statement is true or false. Okay, again, we're going to take K, which is 15, and plug it in. Okay, so we're going to get 15 plus 12. Is that greater than or equal to 20? 15 plus 12 is 27. Is that greater than or equal to 20? Last time I checked, 20 is greater than, 27 is greater than 20, so that would be true. All right, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to plug that into that. So that is negative 16. Is that greater than negative 15? How did I get negative 15? Because I plugged 15 where F is, and that negative sign was already there, so it stays there. Okay. Is negative 16 greater than negative 15? No. It is further away from 0. So it is a false statement. All right, number 3. Plug in 3 for D. Is 9 greater than 3? Last time I checked it was. That is true. True statement, boss. All right, number 4. The directions say to write an inequality for each solution, set a graph below. All right. So we can use X. X is what? Less than. How do I know it's less than? Because it's going left. Remember your L's, less than or equal to. How do I know it's equal to? Because the dot is filled in. And then what number is it on? 11. Whoops. Okay. Again, we can use X. What number are we on? It probably is 10.5, so we're going to put 10.5 there. Okay. It's an open dot, so it does not have an equal sign. It is greater than, so it's going to go to the right. All right. Whoops, excuse me. I messed that up. Don't copy that. There you go. My bad. All right. What number are we on? 6x. It's a closed dot, so it's going to be a line underneath it. And it is greater than, so you are going to eat the X. All right. Practice graphing the following inequalities. So we're going to graph these. So the number is 8, so it's going to go on 8. It's a closed dot. How do I know all of that information? Because it tells me right there. It is less than goes left. F is 13.5. Where is that? Right about here. Closed dot. It is F is less than goes to the left. D is less than 4. That is an open dot because there's no equal sign. Less than goes left. They all went left. How about that? Number 10. Based on the verbal expression below, write and graph the inequality below. All right. The Parkland Zoo has a maximum cap of 350 visitors. So let's go ahead and fill in our graph. Make this middle number 350. You can count by whatever you want. I'm going to count by 50s. You can count by ones. It doesn't matter. What I say, let's count by 50s. Okay. Has a maximum cap of 350. So can there be 350 people in the park? Yes, there just can't be any more. So it can be equal to. Okay. Has a maximum cap. So can there be, is it greater than 350? So X 350, we discovered it was equal to. Can there be more than 350? No, it has to be less than 350. Less than is left. All right. Triana must spend at least 45 minutes studying for her test. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to count by fives. You could have counted by whatever you wanted. It didn't matter. Okay. They want us to use an M, which is fine. Okay. At least. So does that mean she could study at bare minimum 45 minutes? Yes. Okay. She needs to study at least. So it needs to be 45 or greater. Okay. So that's a closed dot on 45. It needs to be greater than. Greater than is to the right. All right. That's it for homework 1, Intro to Inequalities.